Cheers.
To being with child.
That's right. That really hits the spot. You like that, baby?
Wow, is that ice cream? And a surprise! What did I win? The suspense is killing me. No way. $1 million? Wow, I'm rich!
What's happening? Is that gold?
Good for you. My turn. So yummy. Enjoy, baby.
What did I win? Only one way to find out. Hey! What am I supposed to do with $1?
Oh no! Hey! Where'd my fancy dress go? Stupid cheap ice cream!
Hey! That better not be bird poop again.
Do you hear that?
Are we in trouble?
Who threw the ice cream? You two, found you.
What's going on? What a beautiful day to be pregnant. And to spice things up, a little pop of excitement.
Cool. I want to pop mine. Here goes nothing. What the? Look! It's the gender! I have a boy!
Is that a bat? Get off of me! What's with the floor in here? Unacceptable! I've had it! You two are going to jail.
No, not jail. What's going on?
Smile pretty, inmates.
This stinks!
Ladies, get ready to take a picture!
No filters? Wait. Help, please!
Who even uses these anymore? Welcome to 2024.
Got it!
Much better. But this background... Butler?
I know. Let's make it rain, baby.
Whatever.
Ready? Here comes the storm.
So much money!
I'm worth $1 million now, honey.
All done. Next, this way, please.
Thank you.
It's my turn?
This way. Let's see here. No filter. That was weird. Forget it. I'll just sketch your photo. I'm no Picasso, but you get the gist.
All done? Great, I'll be on my way.
This cell is cuter than I thought it'd be. Very good. I even have a velvet chair. So cozy. Oh no! The baby's moving!
I am hungry!
I really should eat something. I'm hungry. Any good places around here? Come on, faster!
Interesting.
Thank goodness you're here.
You order a pizza?
I sure did. Stupid bars. There! Finally! I hope it's still hot. And so much pepperoni! Wait a sec. I changed my mind. I think I want something sweet. It's gonna be so good. What do you want?
Your order's here. Enjoy.
Great, that was so fast. Thank you. Where do you go? There you are. Thank you.
She's wearing a bikini.
Ketchup. This looks so good too. It's snack time, baby. I don't know why they don't offer it this way in the first place. And I'm not done yet. Now we're talking. The pizza of my dreams. Now there's only one thing left to do. Take a big monster bite. Oh yeah! I'm going in! That was the best pizza ever. Delicious. All done. But I'm still peckish. Not enough. Bring on pizza number 2! I'm ready for ya! Sardines? Gross! This is fish! No! Why is this happening to me? Get it out of here!
What's this? A pizza? It's the only food in here. Time to dig in, I guess. It doesn't smell great. I have an idea. Anything? How about here? Bingo! We have sunlight people, which isn't good news for me. That's enough. There must be something else.
Huh?
What's that? Seems suspicious. Nothing here? Really? I knew it! A secret stash! Whoever stayed here last was a genius. Now we're cooking with gas. Come to Mama! The more ketchup, the better. This is gonna be so good. Look at this masterpiece of a slice. Double trouble, baby!
Finally. Hey, where'd she get that?
What a feast! This is the best day of my life.
That's terrifying.
What a meal! So satisfying.
That cheese went right through me. I'm gonna explode. Where's the toilet?
Huh? The toilet? There.
Okay, don't mind me. I'm almost there. No way. And that smell? Ew. No!
No? Let's go.
Wow. Okay, this is much better. Hello? Leave.
Well, okay.
I have to go so bad. Is this the toilet? This is unacceptable.
Huh? Here, you can use this.
You've got to be kidding me. No toilet paper? Fine. I'm taking things into my own hands. Oh, officer, look into my eyes.
Huh? Yes, master. This way.
Worked like a charm. Phew. Sweet relief.
I have a milkshake. It's for you.
Sweet. That's delicious.
Uh-oh.
The baby! It's moving!
The baby. It's almost time. It's coming now.
The baby? Well, let's go to the hospital.
This hurts. Where is the doctor?
Don't worry. I'm here. You're in good hands, okay? Let's take a look. Okay, let's see here.
Well,
Get me out of here!
that's her? What?
It's time to push.
Is anything happening?
Got it! Yes!
What a relief.
Congratulations.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
Good luck. Thanks for coming. Who are you? Another baby?
A little help here?
Pay up, lady.
Okay, hold on. This is all I've got.
Let's see here. Is this some sort of joke?
What's he talking about?
Push, push!
The janitor's delivering my baby? Phew. I did it.
What is it?
Huh? Bye. Love you.